In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. I am Nargis Chehla, Subject Specialist English. I welcome you all to online classes of Divisional Public School and College, Sahiwal. Today, the topic of our lesson is summary of the poem No. Now, come to objectives. By the end of the lesson, students will know what actually a summary is, identify the main idea of the poem, know about important steps to write a summary, be able to write the summary of any poem in a sequence. What is summary? A summary is defined as a collection of main points of a piece of writing, or a shortened version of written material that presents the key points expressed in a piece of writing. Now we will discuss the main steps to write a summary. Number 1. Read the poem 3 to 4 times to get the main idea of the poem. Number 2. Name the poet and the poem. Number 3. While reading the poem, underline the all important ideas and facts. Number 4. Note down main ideas and facts in your own words. Number 5. Write the message of the poem. Number 6. Answer all basic questions. Number 7. Write answers of all questions in complete sentences and in correct order. Number 8. Check spellings and grammatical structure. Number 9. Write down the summary of the poem in your own words. Now I will read the poem. No sun, no moon, no morn, no noon, no dawn, no dusk, no proper time of day, no sky, no earthly view, no distance looking blue, no road, no street, no other side the way, no end to any row, no indications where the crescents go, no top to any steeple, no recognitions of familiar people, no courtesies for showing em, no knowing em, no travelling at all, no locomotion, no inkling of the way, no notion, no go by land or ocean, no mail, no post, no news from any foreign coast, no park, no ring, no afternoon gentility, no company, no nobility, no warmth, no cheerfulness, no helpful ease, no comfortable feel in any member, no shade, no shine, no butterflies, no bees, no fruits, no flowers, no leaves, no birds, November. Now we will discuss some questions. Number 1. What is the title of the poem? You know the title of the poem is No. Next, who is the writer of the poem? This poem is written by Thomas Hood. Next, in what way is the title of the poem a good one? The title of the poem is good one because it is reflected in every line of the poem. You know, the title of the poem is No, and this word is present in every line of the poem. So, it is most suitable. Next question is, how would you describe the general picture painted by the poet? Is it a cheerful one? The poet describes a month of November, late autumn, in which there are a lot of negatives indicated by No. The poet describes the season as being one without warmth or cheerfulness. It has none of the other aspects that feature in some other months of the year. However, he does this in a cheerful way. So, the poem is not depressing or sad. Next question is, do you think the poet has a good sense of humor? Why? Although the poem is full of negative statements, the poet still manages to make it sound fairly cheerful. This shows the poet has a good sense of humor. Now we will discuss the message of the poem. This poem by Thomas Hood associates the month of November with the lack of positivity. The negative no tells that everything is coming to an end. There is no human activity and plants don't have any beauty. The central idea of the poem is social isolation. Now come to recap. What is a summary? A summary is a collection of main points of a piece of writing. Number 2. Important steps to write a summary. Reading of the poem. Number 2. Mention the name of the poem and the poet. Number 3. Highlight important ideas and facts. Number 4. Answer all basic questions. Number 5. Arrange all answers in a sequence. Number 6. Write the message of the poem. Number 7. Check spellings and grammatical structure. Number 8. Write down the summary of the poem. Discussion of main points of the poem. In this poem, the poet describes the bleakness of a November. A heavy fog obscures everything: the sun, the moon, the steeples, the roadways, the parks, even the faces of the people on the streets. Travel closed down because of the fog. The autumn has stripped the leaves from the trees and killed the flowers and fruits. There is nothing left to cheer. Students, we have discussed what is summary, important steps to write a summary, and main points and facts of the poem. Now, you will write the summary of the poem "No" in your own words. Your assignment is read the poem, highlight the important points, then write the summary of the poem in your own words. Thank you.